So I'm here to introduce you to Cake International's first collaborative weekend for Cake International Academy. My name is Melanie Underwood and I'm the event manager for Cake International. The event is going to take place on the 12th to the 14th of June with Emma Jayne and Carla Puig. It will be held at Woodland Grange, Leamington Spa, which is just an hour's train drive away from Birmingham New Street Station, or half an hour's drive from Birmingham International Airport. You will have the chance to create a cute child with Carla Puig and an animal with Emma Jayne. The two pieces that you have created will then join together to create one piece where the child will be cheek to cheek with the animal. So come along and join 12th to the 14th of June, the first ever Cake International Academy collaborative weekend. Just log on to cakeinternational.co.uk to book your ticket now for £100 off the ticket price. Thank you. Look forward to seeing you there.